A yo. 50 Shades of Blue had ass, man. What the hell? Anyways, today we're gonna do something I've been meaning to do for a while. And as you can see, my OEM door, or my door, other door. So the door in there, the window motor doesn't work, but this one does. Also, the speakers don't work in there, so I'm gonna just swap out the speakers. I'm gonna swap out the window module and also do the actuator lock today. So I'll just do it all at once, and I'll show you guys how to do it, because there's not a lot of videos on this, at least updated videos. But if I find anything easier on how to do it, I will let you know. But my door's already off because I have it in my rental. So let's get started. I remember there are clips around here, along here, and it stops around here. So remember, gotta take off this tab under here. Just lift this with a screwdriver, and also this can pop off as well because you're gonna need this. So, and yeah, the window's not there because it got shattered in the accident, so there's no window, don't gotta worry about that. But I'm gonna swap off this mirror and put that back on, and put this speaker in that one because it doesn't work. But yeah, so let's get started. For anyone wondering, an easy way to take this off without you know, cracking it, this was already there, don't worry, is to get a screwdriver around here, this area, just line it up here and just stick it in and just wiggle it down so you don't rip it like I just did, and just clean it. Here, chill. Alright, I know I'm doing this on the door, on the floor, but it'll be a little different. But just so you know, this is connected, connects to your controller, which I'll be swapping over as well. This connects to here, and also you're gonna be really careful. This connection right here is for your light right here, so just remember that's where it is. And I'll show you when I'm doing it on that door, so I can give you an actual good example. But yeah, and then you can literally just, oh, forgot to disconnect these. This connects to your actuator. So let me show you. There's two connections in here. Let me get these screws out. There's two in there. Let me just show you. 1 second. Let me go from this angle. Looks like someone might have been working in here before, because it's like some gunk in there. But basically, you just disconnect. It's pretty self-explanatory to get these out, and there's no way to mess this up either, because one is round and one is for the straight edge, so there's really no way to mess that up. Also, this looks like this door was parted before. I don't know, it's kind of weird. But next, let's remove this, because this is what we're changing in. Wish I could, these are also aftermarket, I'm pretty sure. Are they? No, they're not. Regular bows. But these usually go bad, so yeah, let me get everything off out, then I'll show you what I'm doing next. Alright, next step. Remember, you could take this out with a screwdriver, or you can take it out with a 10 mil. So 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil, 10, 10, 10, 10, and these bigger ones up here on the edges are 14, so you need a 10 and 14. So for everyone wondering, this is good. Make sure if you're working on a phone or camera, do not put your phone on this. This is magnetic, it will ruin your phone. Alright, let's get everything off. Alright, so for anyone wondering, to take the window module off, it is just a Phillips, and it fits right in. It's only these three things holding it in, and you want to take that out and then swap this over, and I'll show you when I swap it over. I'm swapping over speaker, where is it? I'm swapping over this whole panel, basically, is going on my car. So same one, same thing, and we're just swapping it over, and that's it. I might take these connections out and swap them, but I just want to test if the speakers work. That's really all I care about. I don't care if the lock doesn't work on that side, at least with my key. The lock works itself, but I just want my key to work. So let's get this swapped over real quick, and yeah, let's call it. Another slight tip, make sure your Phillips is flat on the tip, because you will strip the bolt, so make sure it's flat, alright, when you take out the window module. So make sure it's flat, alright boys. Cool. Alright, so I figured out why the doors speakers weren't working. It's because man's had a sub in here, and I don't know why I just realized, but there's a wire back there that's supposed to connect to here. As you can see, he jerry-rigged the hell out of it to get it on. Fucking, like, excuse me, my goodness, man. Like, seriously? I mean, these connections work, it's just this damn speaker. I don't have the cord to even make it work, because he hooked it up to, obviously, the battery and all that shit, so. But yeah, this joint is jerry-rigged on. And what it's kind of concerning, where's that piece? Because pretty sure if we come over here, that piece is for this to connect to the speaker, and it's not here. Huh. Like I said, jerry-rigged, but I got the door for $100, so oh well. Time to swap over everything. Let's get to it, boys. Alright boys, so the guy basically hooked up the whole OEM wiring, so I might just swap my other one into here. It's about to be a bitch, but right now I'm just taking off the door panel so I can do the excuse me, so I can do the window now. Yeah. Actually, you know what? Before we even do that, I'm gonna go get my OEM speakers real quick. Let's go. Grab my OEM speaker over here to see if it works. So. Because if it works, don't fix it, right? So. This plugs in right into the brown wire, by the way, for anyone wondering. Brown wire right there. So let me flip this around and I'll be right back. Let's go see if it works. Alright boys, so the speakers don't work. The whole thing's fucked up. So I'm actually gonna place the inner door panel that connects to the car. Gonna have to replace that with my other one. Love cars, man, love cars. So yeah. Sorry about that. Still a little under the weather and my allergies. I don't have suction cup to hold this from falling, so I just stuffed this shit in here. So just hope it works. So yeah, be right back. Alright boys. Is manual focus on? There we go. So basically, this, I'm putting it back on right now, but basically, you want to connect these first, stick your hand down there. You'll know what I mean when you do it yourself. There's a little bar where this connects. This is where the window's on, which is why these are holding up. So it's this one and this one. You really want to make sure these both are through all right, before you put everything back on. I know this one isn't yet, but I'm gonna try and get it, angle it through. But yeah, you're gonna get these. Sadly, we didn't get the speakers to work, but it's all good. We got the windows. The windows are gonna work, so. Actually, should we test it right now? Actually, no, I gotta get this back in. But after that, we're gonna test it, and yeah. So, these are all 10s, the inners are 12s, and these outers are 14s, by the way. Sorry about the confusion earlier. So you need 10, 12, and 14 to do everything. And I'm gonna put my other door panel in, not this one. This is the new one I just got, but fuck it. I'm gonna put the old one in. It's better, more insulated, and better. So, and I put the black plate on instead of the silver one that was on it, because it looks better. Even though I won't see it, but I'll know it's there. So you guys know what I mean. So let's get this back in. Okay, so I found a tip. So for anyone doing this, put the motor in. You can put these on. Do this one first. You're gonna have to pull this forward, and then you can line it up right there perfectly. It took me like 6 minutes, as you guys saw, but that's gonna be sped up. But damn, that was annoying as hell. Damn, I'm black as shit. You can't even see. All right, yeah, I'll be right back. I'm not gonna bore you with this damn video. Yes, sir, boys. Already know what the vibes are. Time for the moment of truth, and I gotta go get this tinted. Yeah, I know. Yes, sir. We back in business, baby. Yes, sir. It works. That's the easiest thing I've ever done. And by the way, for anyone wondering, if you were to do like all of this, you would probably get charged about $1,000 when you could just do it yourself on an afternoon when you're not doing anything. Only little frustrating thing was just that piece, and that was about it. I didn't do the actuator though. I didn't want to tussle with that. So I'll do it eventually, but I'm pretty sure it might. The locking mechanism may work now. So let's turn the car on and we'll see. Cold start for the boys. Moment of truth. Alright, boys, we're done. Let me just start the car so we can let it warm up a little bit though. I gave you guys a cold start, but I'm gonna let it warm up now. And as you can see, the window does work. Tomorrow I'll be doing the airbag replacement. Man, this cough sucks, but I'll be doing the airbag replacement. But right now I'm gonna go start another video and we're gonna, you know, get right onto it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Excuse me. Hope comment down below what color you think I'm gonna wrap my car, because it's gonna be wrapped. We're gonna go wide body, and we're gonna go turbo. So we're gonna be going rear mount turbo. Yes, I know, but I'm not really looking for that much power. Man, pretty confident. I don't have the time to do an LS swap, nor am I paying a shop to do it, because I'm doing everything myself. I don't have the time nor the space, and I have college soon, and I don't really have a work spot. So. And I'll be running track in the fall, so that's gonna take up a lot of my time. But rear mount turbo, wrap, wide body. Guess what wheels I'm gonna buy down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, grind till you shine. I know she's looking a little ass, but slowly but surely coming back. I'm not really butthurt about it, but it does suck, so time to make her look pretty again. So camera, guys. Found Tucson. Peace out.